शुक्र शनि रवि।
आजा मेरी गली, आजा मेरी गली, आजा मेरी गली।
मुझे लगता है कि यहाँ अजय जी को वो लाइव स्टेप अगर वो कर लें, वो लेग्स वाला, आओ कम ऑन अजय जी।
You made me sing live on stage. You have to do this.
म्यूजिक 1 2 3 4।
Look at him smiling. He's like a child, I think, when he starts to dance. Tell us your kids, they must have caught on to these songs and they must be in love with them. वो देख के आपको पापा आप dance कर रहे हो?
They saw it yesterday and they've loved it and they were. My daughter was very surprised.
So this has been a pleasant surprise to them as well.
Yes.
Himesh ji, is that really your voice? I want to know.
Yeah, because it's in the mid range. It's not in the high pitch voice. It's not nasal. नाक से नहीं गाया है।
आपको आप में से किसी को पता चला वही है?
और I think it's I've enjoyed working with Prabhu ji and Ajay ji के साथ, Bol Bachchan and Son of Sardar and Sonakshi के साथ. I mean, lots of hits have been there. They've really been very lucky for me. So it's been a great team, and this film is Prabhu Deva. See, you know, every frame में आपको दिखेंगे, music में दिखेंगे, every beat में, and he is there in everything. You know, मेरे music में जो भी आपको दिख रहा है, it is Prabhu Deva ji.
You know, Himesh ji, आपका एक bank रहता है गानों का. Honestly, tell me, did these songs go from that bank, or you had to create one? Yeah, they were from the bank,
but then he improvised. It was not that it was just taken from the bank. The way he placed it in the film, the way he wanted to shoot it, the way he wanted to fit it to Ajay ji's character, Sonakshi's character. I mean, he really worked very hard on each song. So it's his vision completely.
तो इसमें वो जो signature step पे एक instrument आ रहा है,
yeah,
which
one is that? We used to enjoy watching him in the music room also. Oh my God, it's such a treat.
Were you choreographing while he was making his music?
Yeah, Prabhu choreographs while sitting, sleeping, lots of other
In his
things
dreams.
while he's doing.
No, but Himesh ji, it's amazing, it's remarkable how this was already in your pitara, which means somewhere आपके अंदर भी dance है.
नहीं, मेरे में तो बिल्कुल नहीं है. But अजय जी को देखकर मुझे ये पता नहीं क्यों
लोग कह रहे हैं कि अजय जी ने पहली बार किया नहीं है.
सन ऑफ सरदार में ऑलरेडी वो इतने हिट गाने डांस करके दे चुके हैं. प्रभु जी has taken it to the other level. You know, next
Now Sonakshi has a request for you. आपने इनका जो singing कीड़ा निकाला है.
सिंग कराया तो आपको तो डांस करना ही
तो
पड़ेगा.
आता ही नहीं है डांस करना.
मैंने भी कहा मुझे नहीं.
Oh my God. Okay, 1 2 music.
ये स्टेप तो कर ही सकते हो.
Thank you.
इंडिया का जैक्सन बुलाते हैं, माइकल जैक्सन बुलाते हैं. Is it an exciting, you know, you're like a child whenever I see you. Is it exciting कि finally एक film आपके नाम के साथ जुड़ रही है जिसमें जैक्सन word है? Think about it.
No, of course, if anybody calls with love, it is. You am a human being, will love it, but not because of it. It's not in my name.
But आप director हैं ना, Ajay sir, isn't it just fair to say that?
बिल्कुल. So any film, when they told us first this title, Action Jackson, everybody loved it. So this film was perfect for it. Then I told him, okay.
All right, great. Then to
And
that.
first of all, thanks to Himesh sir, such a superb songs. And not only this song, we have 6 to 7 songs in the film. And first time I'm working with the sir, he's tremendously, he's tremendous and so talented, and it was great working.
My pleasure working with you, sir. And Ajay ji, Sonakshi, thank you very much.
वर्ड्स कॉइन करने में बहुत माहिर हैं. कीड़ा में आपने कुछ अपना, ये आपका ही वर्ड था कीड़ा.
नहीं, but कहीं ना कहीं इनका उसमें भी improvisation है, बहुत सारी चीजें.
But this was a song you made before and had the word कीड़ा in it.
Yeah, it was there. I mean, it was written by Shabbir Ahmed, the lyric writer. But Prabhu ji has really improvised. That ta, that's him. You
And
know,
what instrument is that, if I may ask?
That is electronics, of course. It's a modern Chennai.
Superb. Questions from the media, please.